Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to break down for you how you can include new folders from your device inside your cloud backup on iDrive. For example, to sync your files and folders within that folder with your cloud backup on iDrive. So let us get started. So head over to your account on iDrive, log into your account and head over to your cloud backup. And from here guys, what you need to do is access your iDrive user account settings. To do that, expand dashboard in the left panel and click into settings. And here inside your dashboard settings, what you want to do is switch from general to the backup content tab here at the top. And here guys, simply under include files and folders, you will be given the opportunity to add files and folders you would like to have backed up in the future to your cloud backup. So what you want to do is simply select the given device type, Mac, Linux, or Windows. I'm going to go with Windows for my device. And after that, you must simply add a folder or a specific file if you like to have this backed up in the future. So simply click into add folder here, or you may, for example, select or unselect one of these or delete them. So what you want to do is click into add folder and add the folder here, for example, rename it. So let me rename it, for example, my texts or something like that. That is going to add the folder to your backup folder on your device. From now on, any files you have stored in that folder here on your device will be automatically backed up to your cloud here on iDrive, either via the web application of iDrive or through the desktop application. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.